Louise Hay, I am in charge of how I feel, and today I choose happiness. Hello and welcome. I'm truly glad you're here with me today. Have you ever felt that time seems to slip through your fingers? Days turn into weeks, weeks into months, and before you know it, years have passed. What if I told you that in just 20 minutes, you could gain insights that could potentially reclaim those lost years? Sounds intriguing, right? Let's explore this together. Life has a unique way of making us feel rushed and overwhelmed. Between work, family responsibilities, and our never-ending to-do lists, it's easy to forget to take a moment for ourselves. We often get caught up in the hustle and bustle, forgetting to pause and reflect. But taking that time to slow down is essential. It's not just about being busy, it's about being productive and living meaningfully. Imagine sitting comfortably, perhaps with a warm cup of tea or coffee. Take a deep breath and allow yourself to relax for a moment. As you settle in, think about all those little moments you might have missed, simple joys that bring happiness but often go unnoticed. It's in these small pauses where life truly unfolds. Have you ever had a moment when everything felt just right? Maybe it was a sunny day, a heartfelt conversation with a friend, or even a quiet evening spent reading a book. These experiences often remind us of what's important. They help ground us and reconnect us to our essence. When was the last time you allowed yourself to truly savor such moments? Now, let's get deeper into what reclaiming those years means. It's not merely about time management, it's about time perception. Our brains have a fascinating way of recording experiences. When we engage deeply in life, our perception of time expands. Each memorable moment becomes a treasure, and before long, we find ourselves feeling more fulfilled. The key to unlocking this treasure lies in mindfulness. Mindfulness is a powerful practice that encourages us to be fully present in each moment. It's about experiencing life as it happens without distractions. This practice not only enhances our awareness but can also change our relationship with time. When we focus on the present, we tend to feel a sense of abundance, which can lead to greater satisfaction and joy. Have you ever noticed how time feels different during significant life events? During a wedding, for example, time might feel as if it's standing still, allowing you to savor every smile and laugh. Conversely, a monotonous day at work may seem to drag on forever. This perception highlights how our experiences shape our understanding of time. The more we cultivate meaningful experiences, the more we feel like we're living fully. Incorporating mindfulness into your daily routine doesn't have to be complicated. Start with simple practices, like taking a few moments each day to breathe deeply. Set a timer for just 5 minutes and focus solely on your breath. Notice the rise and fall of your chest, the sensation of air entering and leaving your body. This small act can create a ripple effect throughout your day, helping you approach tasks with greater clarity and calmness. Another powerful tool is gratitude. Reflecting on what you're grateful for shifts your focus from what's lacking in your life to what you already have. This mindset shift can dramatically alter your experience of time. When you take a moment to acknowledge the beauty around you, be it a blooming flower, a kind gesture from a friend, or a delicious meal, you begin to see time as abundant rather than scarce. Imagine starting your day with a gratitude practice. Before reaching for your phone or diving into work, take a moment to jot down 3 things you're thankful for. This simple ritual can set a positive tone for your day, reminding you of life's blessings. Over time, you'll notice that these small acts of gratitude accumulate, enriching your experience and creating a sense of fulfillment. As we navigate through life, challenges are inevitable. Yet, how we respond to these challenges can significantly impact our perception of time. When faced with difficulties, it's easy to feel overwhelmed and lost, as if time is slipping away. But what if you viewed challenges as opportunities for growth? By reframing how you see adversity, you'll discover that each struggle brings valuable lessons and insights. Consider moments of discomfort as teaching moments. For example, perhaps you're going through a tough time at work. Instead of focusing solely on the stress, try to identify what this situation is teaching you about your resilience or problem-solving skills. This shift in perspective can transform your experience and make even the hardest moments feel meaningful. Let's not forget the importance of connection. Engaging with others, whether friends, family, or even new acquaintances, can profoundly influence how we perceive time. Meaningful conversations and shared experiences can make moments feel more substantial and memorable. Have you ever spent an evening laughing with friends? Those moments tend to linger in our minds, creating cherished memories that we carry with us for years. To foster connections, set aside time to reach out to loved ones. Whether it's a phone call, a heartfelt text, or a simple coffee date, these connections can enrich your life. Share stories, experiences, and laughter. Allow yourself to be vulnerable and open. By nurturing these relationships, you're investing in experiences that will make your life feel fuller and more rewarding. As you immerse yourself in these practices, you may notice a subtle yet profound shift in your relationship with time. Each day will begin to feel more expansive, filled with opportunities for joy, growth, and connection. Instead of rushing through life, you'll learn to savor each moment, creating a sense of abundance that allows you to reclaim those lost years. Now, let's explore the concept of setting intentions. Intentions are powerful statements that guide our actions and decisions. By setting clear intentions for your day, week, or even your life, you create a roadmap that helps you navigate challenges and stay aligned with your values. This practice can dramatically impact how you perceive time, as each intention serves as a reminder of what's essential to you. Take a moment to consider what you genuinely want to achieve. It could be personal growth, deepening relationships, or even pursuing a new hobby. Once you've identified your intentions, write them down. Keep them visible, perhaps on your bathroom mirror or in your planner. This constant reminder will help you stay focused and intentional, allowing you to prioritize what truly matters. Each of us carries dreams and aspirations that we wish to fulfill. However, often, these aspirations can feel distant or overwhelming, leading us to postpone pursuing them. Instead of allowing those dreams to linger in the background, why not bring them into the forefront of your daily life? Setting specific, achievable goals is a powerful way to reclaim your time and infuse your days with purpose. When you establish clear intentions for what you want to achieve, you create a roadmap that guides your actions. Think of these goals not just as tasks to complete but as invitations to create meaningful experiences. For instance, if you've always wanted to learn a new skill, like painting or playing a musical instrument, why not dedicate a little time each week to this pursuit? Start small, even a few minutes can be enough to build momentum. The more you engage with your passion, the more you'll find time becomes less of a constraint and more of an ally. Each step taken toward your goal is a moment well spent, ultimately leading to a richer experience of life. Moreover, surrounding yourself with inspiration can also be transformative. Consider creating a vision board that reflects your aspirations. Fill it with images, quotes, and reminders of what you want to achieve. This visual representation serves as a daily affirmation of your dreams, keeping them alive in your mind. Each time you glance at it, you'll feel a renewed sense of motivation to take action, no matter how small. Another crucial aspect of reclaiming your time is the practice of self-reflection. Regularly taking a moment to reflect on your experiences, emotions, and actions can provide valuable insights into how you spend your time. Ask yourself questions like, what moments felt most fulfilling today? Did I spend my time in a way that aligns with my values? This reflective practice not only helps you understand your relationship with time but also empowers you to make conscious choices moving forward. In addition, don't underestimate the power of rest. In our fast-paced world, we often equate productivity with busyness, leading us to neglect the need for downtime. Rest is not a luxury, it's a necessity. When you allow yourself the grace to rest and recharge, you create space for creativity, clarity, and renewed energy. Whether through a quiet evening at home, a leisurely walk in nature, or simply taking time to do nothing, these moments of rest can rejuvenate your spirit and provide you with fresh perspectives. As you integrate these practices into your life, you may find that your perception of time begins to shift in remarkable ways. Instead of viewing it as a finite resource, you'll start to see it as an expansive canvas on which you can paint your experiences. Each choice you make, each moment you savor, contributes to a rich tapestry of memories that fills your life with meaning. Let's now turn our attention to the conclusion of this enlightening discussion. The journey you've begun on today is a testament to your desire to live fully and purposefully. It's an opportunity to shift your relationship with time, making every moment count. By cultivating mindfulness, gratitude, intention, and connection, you can transform your daily life into something extraordinary. Sometimes, it's beneficial to take a step back and evaluate how you're spending your time. Are there activities or commitments that no longer serve you? Are there habits that consume your precious time without providing fulfillment? Identifying these aspects allows you to make conscious choices about how you want to spend your days. Consider creating a time audit where you track how you spend your time for a week. Note the activities that bring you joy and those that feel draining. This exercise can help you identify patterns and make adjustments to align your time with your values and intentions. It's about reclaiming control over how you spend your days, ultimately leading to a greater sense of fulfillment. As we draw closer to the end of our time together, I invite you to reflect on your own journey. What have you discovered about your relationship with time? How do you want to move forward from here? The insights gained from this reflection can serve as a guide for the days ahead. It's essential to remember that you hold the power to shape your experiences. By thinking about mindfulness, gratitude, connection, intention, and self-compassion, you can transform your relationship with time. Instead of feeling like a passive observer in your life, you'll become an active participant, fully engaged in each moment. If you found value in this message, I encourage you to take a moment to like this video. Your support not only helps spread these insights to others but also reinforces the importance of living consciously. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you can continue receiving meaningful content that inspires and uplifts. Also, share this video with friends and family who might benefit from it. Let's spread the message that every moment is an opportunity for growth and connection. And if you have thoughts or experiences to share, please leave a comment below. Your insights could inspire someone else who's on a similar path. Thank you for dedicating your time today. Your willingness to explore these ideas means the world, and I'm grateful to have you as part of this journey. Let's continue to seek understanding, connection, and growth together. Here's to reclaiming those years and living each moment with intention and joy.